In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip skins in AUT Mobile. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly find and equip skins in a universal time on any mobile device. So all that you have to do is first go over to the menu here, and in AUT there are various different ways to acquire skins. In this video, I'm not going to go over too much detail about every single way, but one of the most straightforward ways is just going to be by going over to the shop. When you go over to the shop, you will be able to find the skins category, and you can choose any of the skins available here to purchase. They can be quite expensive, but regardless, it is one of the fastest ways to get skins that look really cool. Like I said, there are other ways, and you can do your own research on how to find them, but regardless, once you acquire a skin, you just have to find it on your inventory. So open the menu once again, and then tap the first option, Inventory. Now, you will notice that on my inventory, I don't have anything useful. My character is a noob, I only just started, and I only have standlets. But assuming that this was a skin item, all that you would have to do is to tap on a specific skins, and then tap on Equip. When you tap on any skin and choose Equip, you will be able to select it here, and once you equip the skin and close down this menu, the new skin will appear on your character. Now, sadly, I really wish I could demonstrate this, I apologize, but because I don't have any skins on my character, I won't be able to show you this process in full, but if you did, the skin would be equipped. If you go back inside of your inventory, you tap it on the skin again, you will also find the option to unequip it, so you just have to repeat the same steps with other different skins or unequip a current skin that you have and you are using. And like I said, one of the most straightforward ways to acquire skins is just going to be by going over to the shop or doing events and purchasing them through other means. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip skins in AUT Mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.